Good day, dear viewers. If you are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe. In this video, I'm going to be showing you something very amazing. How you can build your house without the use of cement using this innovation. The cost of cement is very high in the market. That is why we came up with this innovation that you can build your house, your farm without using of cement, using this technology. Now, this is my brother and a friend that I met here doing this work. So he's going to explain these blocks to you that you can you can use to build your house without using cement to shocking. So tell my viewers about this your block.
My people, I want to tell you more about this block. So this block, if you want to set, you are not going to use cement. All the quality of the block depends on the production. It depends on the production. So meanwhile, this block is bulletproof. If you want to do anything, even though if you are not using the site again, you can easily remove your block and move it to another site for using. So for now, this is block we are going to use for molding our snail house, rabbit house, everything. So we are doing here. This is the block we are going to use.
Like you had him explain, this block, you can set this block without using cement, right?
Yeah, yes.
Because I know that cement is very expensive now. So when I saw this thing, when the manager brought you that this is the block that you people are made, I was amazed. So how long have you been doing this kind of job? You can bring it down.
Yeah, I've been doing this work now at least about 6 years ago. So now,
if you need our services in molding these blocks for you, or supply of this block, or you want to patronize us, to patronize this company that is producing this block, we can connect it to the company. Also, we can also supply you this machine, understand? Because we're in partnership with this company, so we can supply you and use it for your production. You can call us if you need that services on our number shown on your screen. Also WhatsApp our number so that we can help you get the machine and you start your production. Even though you can start as a business, even though you don't want to make it as if you build your own house, this is a business. This machine is not common. It's an imported machine.